Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Removal. Place a small suction cup onto the back cover near the pogo connector. Using the suction cup handle, carefully lift the back cover to release the retention clips on the back cover from the display panel assembly. Remove the back cover. Remove the 1.2 mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the battery connector bracket to the system board. Lift the edge of the battery connector bracket and at an angle, remove it from underneath the metal shielding on the system board. Carefully remove the battery ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the system board. Disconnect the battery ribbon cable from its connector on the system board. Important: if the battery needs to be replaced, the middle frame will need to be replaced as well. The battery is provided attached to the middle frame as part of the middle frame kit. Do not attempt to remove the battery from the middle frame. Replacement. Connect the battery ribbon cable onto its connector on the system board. Apply pressure to the length of the battery ribbon cable to adhere it to the system board. Tow the edge of the battery connector bracket under the metal shielding on the system board and lower it into position. Replace the 1.2 mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the battery connector bracket to the system board. Align the back cover with the edges of the display panel assembly and lower it into position. Carefully apply pressure to the edges of the back cover to snap it into place.